Namaskar. Welcome to this session on CTET 2021 latest updates. As you are aware, the last day to apply CTET 2021 has concluded recently. Even the extended date has completed. Congratulations to you all who have applied for the same. All the inspiring teachers, welcome. If you are the one have applied for CTET 2021, please watch this video till very end and it's specially meant for you. If you are a teacher educator, teacher or any other person interested in the field of teaching and research, you're most welcome to watch this video up till your interest and forward to your wards, your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, whom you think is going to be beneficial. With this brief introductory words, let me welcome you to the PowerPoint which I have prepared for this purpose. I'm sure you are able to see the PowerPoint and with the help of which we would go ahead. Alright, so here you could see as far as correction window of this. But before that, let me give you a brief intro. That's the title as I have given CTET 2021. I'm Dr. Yakaya, teacher educator by profession, and inspiring teachers and researchers is my passion. So under that, I'm offering CTET 2021 a free guidance program, 100% free, no hidden charges. It's on the occasion of my 25 years of teaching experience. I have dedicated this season to give free guidance to the teachers and researchers. All inspiring teachers and researchers are welcome to be a part of this particular program. So this I call inspiring teachers because this is related to teachers. I have other program inspiring researchers, those who are aspirants of UGC NET JRF or any PhD entrance test or assistant professor and so on and so forth, which you can find videos related to that on my YouTube channel, Yakaya Pudupaganti. As I mentioned, the current video is for CTET corrections, what, why, when and how by Dr. Yakaya, and this is my YouTube channel. In the description I have provided this also, which you can view as such. Alright, thank you for watching that intro. After that, now we have here the CTET 2021 information bulletin. Those of you who have applied for CTET and CTET aspirants of CTET are very much familiar with this. And after filling your form, you have got a confirmation page like this. So before you attempt any corrections, please note that keep your confirmation page with you. Because what is to be corrected? If you find anything not correct in your confirmation page, you can do the corrections. Can you do any of those? Yes. Interestingly, earlier CTET and other online application process used to restrict certain only entities or entries can be corrected. But this time CBSE has given in CTET you can correct anything including image and signature, but that's a separate procedure. Those image or signature is not tallying or is not significant or acceptable as per the CBSE norms, CTET application norms, they will send you a special message. Except image and signature, rest all anything can be corrected as per CTET modification window has given. So I'm going to briefly explain. Still you have any questions? Below this window as a comment or in one of the CTET free guidance WhatsApp groups, please do join and send your queries. So if you see the confirmation page in close, it is like this. So all details are correct and your photo and signature is also tallying. There is no reason for you to attempt any correction. You are perfect. Just hold your confirmation page with you until your admit card is downloaded. But suppose for some reason you identify some correction, some modification need to be done in your CTET 2021 application. Yes, you see here on the website when you visit the ctet.nic.in, you will find in the bottom this particular button called correction for CTET 2021. 2021, December 2021. Image discrepancy, CTET December 21. This is with regard to your photo and signature. But only if CBSE send you a message or email stating that your photo size or your image size is not acceptable, not as per the required, either quality or size or whatever the thing. Only then you are supposed to do. Otherwise, if it is printed properly, it's good to go. Still you have any issues on this? Please do write in the comment or in one of my WhatsApp groups so that I can guide you further. Right. Why corrections to be done? Please note that the board has not responsible for any consequences arising out of non-acceptance of any corrections, addition, deletion in any particular once filled in the application form, whatsoever the reason may be. Please note that indirectly this means you as a candidate is responsible. Second thing, and just because you made a correction, there is no rule like, of course, 99.99% automatically because of software and they're responsible, they do. But anything not corrected, it is a responsibility. That was mentioned in the original notification and also once again here. An opportunity to correct the mistakes. So whenever there is an opportunity to correct the mistakes, what do? We do take the chance and do correct. But the precaution before we proceed, I would like to tell you is only if required, please do. Otherwise, that's okay. If your application and confirmation form says you are good to hold, please do hold and let's go ahead with that. So when can I correct? As you all know already, initially it was 22nd 10 to 28th, but as 1 week they have extended up till 26th last date. So now they have given the correction window time for 28th October 2021 to 3rd November 2020, which has already yesterday has begun. So after trying myself, now I am giving this video so that I can be more authentic and also can be more helpful. Alright, because as I have applied for my own wife, Home Minister, the CTET 2021 December, I have unfortunately access to go through this along with the candidates so that I will have a first-hand experience. It's not that I'm talking hypothetically imaginative, but rather with experience. Seems good? Yes. I'm with you, your preparation all through this season. Do join one of my WhatsApp group and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to give you the required preparation. If you want to prepare on your own, most welcome. I'm going to help you. If you have already joined some program but have some questions, most welcome. I'm going to. You are good enough to prepare on your own, only some practice test doubts clarification, most welcome. Whatever the way I can be support and help you, I feel it's an honor and an opportunity during this season to help you all, both Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and all over India. All the inspiring teachers are welcome under this program. Alright. So literally it said the candidate shall be permitted to make online correction in the following particulars: name, father name, mother name, date of birth, category. Alright. Differently abled category. Here especially I wanted to tell you. Differently abled. Some of the special B.Ed, D.Ed candidates, probably because of you have done B.Ed, hearing challenge, visually challenged, or multiple differently abled, or persons with intellectual challenges, that mentally challenged. By mistake, if you have put, please do correct. It is candidates differently abled category. It's not your study or specialization or certificate related. Most important, I would like to press. Just let me go back to the previous slide 1 second. Name, please do check your name, father name, date of birth, of course mother name, everything is important, but particularly because on certificate your name, date of birth, father name, these kind of things will be printed, so you have to cross check. Some of my friend was asking, sir, in 10th it's a kind of name, and in B.Ed and there is another name slightly, first name, last name, short name, like that, which should be the authentic. What I say is, any of these two is okay, but if you were to choose between, I strongly recommend what is printed on your B.Ed memo, because CTET goes along with your teacher eligibility qualification, that is B.Ed or D-E-L-E-D, B-E-L-E-D, whatever the teacher eligibility qualification. If that certificate, this is good, it's okay, but for some reason already you have entered as per SSC memo, still is okay because you have evidence to show that it is you. Alright, fine. Then paper 1 and 2, this is another important area I would like to focus for the candidate's benefit is, by chance you might have chosen paper 1, but really you wanted to paper 2, or paper 2 you wanted to paper 1. You have chosen both, there is no issue. Even the last date you feel like, given your preparation for other reasons, you don't want to appear 1, still you can skip. If you skip paper 1, appear only paper 2, your candidature considered. If you appear only paper 1, you don't appear paper 2, still okay, no problem, don't worry. Depending on your preparation, your priority, your later understanding, if you want to skip 1, it's okay, but I strongly recommend all those eligible to prepare and appear both. If 1 is your priority, 2nd will be your safety net, alternative opportunity. Or at times notification comes, probably there are not many B.Ed based paper 2 eligible posts, paper 1 eligible posts are there, still you will have a opportunity. Or otherwise, the simplest thing to straight away tell you is you will get 2 certificates, or in your certificate both will be mentioned. That will be credibility even if you are going for a private school interview tomorrow. Subject for paper 2, especially for paper 2 people by mistake, because they have, after B.Ed they have done in social sciences, but graduation and up to B.Ed is sciences, MA, arts, history, sociology, linguistics. And because of this, if they have put paper 2 as arts, but originally BSc B.Ed or BSc D.Ed, then please note that as for that you are eligible for sciences stream. So accordingly, do appropriate correction. Still you have any challenge in this, you want further clarification, please do send a message or write in the comment below. First choice center, out of the 4 centers, only 1 first choice he has given to change, because mostly 99% except 1 to 5% cases, first center city, town, state will be allotted. So therefore they have given the choice for this. Unless you feel so, please don't attempt, because there is an opportunity. If really by mistake it has come first, something else is my first choice, then only please make an attempt. Similarly, language 1, language 2. I have made a video exclusively on this, which language to take, paper 1, paper 2 preference. So all these videos are available on my YouTube. Please visit and take a decision. Language 1 and language 2. Similarly, address for correspondence, name of the institution, college. By that time you don't know your college name or your college pin code, you did not find something you have kept or other you kept, but later on you found that in the drop down list it is there. Please do make that change. Otherwise also not a big deal, don't worry. Alright. So please note, most important thing here to note is it is a one-time correction opportunity. What does it mean? You do correct the name and save and submit final submission and then go for another? No, it will not permit. So after name, what all? That's the reason I said please keep your confirmation page with you. Physically with a pen and on that paper you do those all corrections you want. Do all those corrections and then only press a final submission button. You will get a correction after the corrections carried out, revised final candidate copy, submission copy. So therefore please do take care, do only once all corrections and then go for final submission. Please note that why it is important, no change accepted offline mode. After that, if you send a fax, if you send a mail, if you send by any other means, even by post, CBSE is not going to accept corrections with regard to application after this window period from yesterday the 28th to the upcoming 3rd November 2021. So make use of this opportunity given. No request for any change after the specified dates. Once again, very clearly they have mentioned. Please note that no request for any change in particular will be accepted under any circumstances after the specified date for online corrections. Then what next? Sir, good, we don't have a corrections, or we have done already, or only 1 or 2 slides are there which we are going to take care. So what the next? So please note that the dates for downloading admit card will be available on CTET website for latest updates. So regularly visit on that. From my side, as and when I come to know, definitely I am also going to give you an update on this. Please visit CTET official website, that is https://ctet.nic.in. In your own interest, at regular intervals, if you visit, that is good. Then Finally, now yes, why all to do this? This is the reason. What is that? When is CTET 2021 exam? Dates are already declared 16 December 2021 to 13 January 2022. After listening this, if some of you are saying, sir, is there any possibility to postpone? Somebody said there is a chance to postpone. Like with any exam, all these discussions, debates goes on. But please note that at this juncture, I would like to stress and draw your attention to, in spite of 1 week postponement of the last date, CBSE did not change these dates, which indicates they are particular and they have made some arrangements and they can conduct. So therefore, unless an update on that website comes, even on YouTube or WhatsApp or any your groups, any credible person says, please do not believe. Anybody, any source, you get information, nothing wrong, just visit the CTET website. If information is updated there, yes, it is. Otherwise, on 16th morning session, you think from 16th morning December to 13th January, any day, this is a bonus time for you. Fortunately, your date is after 16th, so you are getting some additional bonus time for preparation. That's all. That's how I wish you to think. Otherwise, they have clearly given morning session, afternoon session, timings and reporting and all that. At appropriate time, just before your exam, I wish I can do one more video to guide you on that, what precautions to be taken just before exam. Now, what are the upcoming videos from my end? As I said, I am committed to freely guide the CTET 2021 candidates who all subscribe my YouTube channel and join one of my WhatsApp groups is how to score 100 plus in CTET. What books to be followed? Does it must to read NCERT books is a question. If you can, it's desirable. If you can't, still there is a way out. Don't worry. Particularly those are from Telugu medium or other regional mediums of various states. Still with that board teaching experience or reading the books ability, you can successfully face and score 100 plus. If some of you thinking, sir, why 100 plus can't be 120 plus, 130 plus? Quite possible. I said plus. So it depends on various factors. 90 plus is open category qualified. So therefore 100 plus is the safety point which you can aspire, and anything better score you get is better. No issues with that. Then paper 1 and paper 2 guidance by Dr. Yakaya myself, CDP Child Development Pedagogy. Fortunately, I myself is a postgraduate and NET SLET JRF qualified in this area, and English, Telugu, Pedagogy, EVS and Maths. So therefore, I have a touch. For paper 1, all these I can, but I have my team members who voluntarily coming forward to provide free guidance. I can take them help. If for some paper it is not available, paper 2, anyway, these 3 are common. CDP, English, Telugu. We will be doing this. Pedagogy and content paper 2, please do take care yourself. Let me make it very clear. I am not going to offer coaching on that. Only any doubts, clarifications possible from myself or my team we may offer. But paper 1, any of these areas, any of my team member respective will available. If for some reason they are not available, I can guide you in any of the 5 areas, 5 into 30, full 150 marks. So therefore, I invite you to be with me in this 2 months continuous journey. I promise and I deliver the best possible for you. Ultimately, the score achieved by you is your score. It's only my guidance and my support. You can be assured on this. Alright, to get CTET guidance, subscribe and visit Yakaya Podupuganti. This is my official channel. Here I have given the link, and also the link is given in the description for your convenience. If you are decided to take up your journey of CTET December 2021 preparation for the coming 2 months, please do subscribe. Otherwise, just visit few more times so that you will come to know what is available. If you think your time and efforts and resource is worth, you can subscribe. Otherwise, that's okay, no issue. Thank you for your time and interest for now. So, Dr. Yakaya, before I sign off, once again, thank you for your interest and time. See you back with the upcoming video. Until then, signing off, Dr. Yakaya, teacher educator by profession, and empowering teachers, inspiring researchers is my passion. Thank you.